So just a quick 3-item tool haul today for you, but quite interesting. I've never seen this item before that's coming out of this box, so I bought it. And the other item I bought because it was new old stock. Right, well, there we go. Actually, that's ridiculously nice. So, what we got here is a fabrex little mini hand drill. Isn't that nice? It's got the original, you look at that very carefully, you can still see where that was turned on a lathe. It's going to clean up nice, that. Okay, that'll go with the other couple of fabrex things, won't it? Interesting, this green is a different green to the other ones. This is more like my Reseda green I use. Right, that will clean up nice, won't it? There's that one. And then what have we got in here? Dun, dun, dun. This is it for today. It's just these two and a collection I've done. Don't like these sort of sausages, they don't taste nice. Alright, well that's not nice, is it? It's damaged that end. Oh bugger, look at that. All across this end here. It's damaged. That's a shame. Oh well. Here's one that's not damaged, but it's tarnished. But it does come in the box. And it does come with the original price on it. So, that's definitely got to be worth more than what I paid for that. So, if you were wondering what an original Eclipse pad handle number 12 box looked like, this is it. The other thing I got on the same day was this. This is a little, and it's enough for what I need it for, drill press. Sits on the bench, look at that. And it works. It's a 1/2-inch chuck, it's an old Black & Decker drill. No smell comes out of it. Brilliant. A bit late. Today it's 5 to 1 in the morning. Right, so people, this is a lovely old Black & Decker, this. It's the drill. Multi-speed. It's even got a hammer function. Look at that. I couldn't tell you how old this is. I'll give you a tour of it like that. That's about it, really, isn't it? That's all I can do on that. So can you give me a price, please, on the drill press that come with the drill? Price, please, on this lovely little fabrex. That's that looks like a candidate for the True Oil after a clean, and the Reseda green on there. Okay, lovely. A price for this one that come in the box and is not in as, I mean, I thought this was going to be exceptional condition. It's I think that's a factory. No one cared back then. I think that's a factory burnish on there. But I shall, first of all, I shall try and get this one to a better finish than this one. Okay, this one's a bit yellowed and rusty here, going yellow around now. Ooh, definitely yellowed on the back here. Yeah. So I should try and get this to a better finish than this one that come out of the box. And then when we've done that, I shall try and improve the one in the box. So price on that, please. Price on the hand drill and a price on the bench press drill. How's that for nice and simple?
Short, sweet and simple today, just like me. Right, that's all. Have a good day and bye for now.